today I'll be looking at fibroid. Okay, though I've done this video before, but a lot of people still say I should do it. But today I'm going to be doing it in a different way and how you can get your problem solved easily. Okay, so watch this video to the end. You will see that it's not difficult. There's no big deal. As I always say, there's no big deal. So you can do it yourself. Here in Short Array, we show you how to do these things. You can practically do it at home if you follow these steps I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Subscribe to this channel. All right, also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you very much for doing so. Thank you very much. So a lot of people said I should show this recipe one by one. So I'm going to be doing that today. I'm going to show all this recipe one by one so that if you don't know it from this video, you'll be able to identify them and get them, prepare it yourself at home. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be showing is this. Okay, this is tetraflora. This is tetraflora. Okay, it's also known as Aidan fruits. Okay, some people also call it prekese. Okay, this is it. Okay, you can see this is tetraflora. Okay, some people call it four side because it has four side. Okay, they have four side, so some people call it four side. So this thing is also used for pepper soup. Okay, most especially for a lady that just put to bed. Okay, it's used for pepper soup as well. So I think with that you should be able to know this fruit very well. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, the second one is lemon. All right, lemon is the second one we have here. Okay, then we have ginger. Okay, we have ginger. So please, if you want to get ginger, make sure you are using the organic one. Okay, make sure you are using the organic ginger. All right, this is ginger, this organic one. Then we also have turmeric. Okay, let me just hold two of it so that you can know it. Okay, yeah, this is turmeric. This turmeric. All right, turmeric. Okay, then we have negro pepper. A lot of people don't know this. Yeah, good. You can see it very well. This is negro pepper. Okay, negro pepper. Okay, then the last but not the least is black pepper. This is black pepper. Okay, this black pepper. Okay, this black pepper, as you can see it. So what we are going to be doing is we are doing it in a very new way. Okay, we are doing it in a very new way. Don't forget, I am the first to combine all this recipe together. Okay, I'm the first to combine them together, all this recipe together. A lot of people have been talking about fibroid, but I am the first to combine all this recipe together. This recipe were carefully selected. Okay, it was carefully selected and it's working perfectly. So what we are going to be doing this time is this. If you are watching this video right now and you are not sharing it, it means you don't want others to benefit. It doesn't take you anything to share. As you can see, this tetraflora have four sides. Okay, this very one is very slim. Okay, it's very slim and hard, very strong. While this one is a bit thicker. This one is a bit thicker and it's also soft. It's thicker and it's soft. So what you need to do, what we are going to be doing is, for the purpose of this video, I'm just using all these things for the purpose of this video. So I'm not going to be cutting or blending them because I'll still use all these things for other videos. Okay, so, but please follow it. If you follow the step I'm going to give, you can do it yourself. So what you do is you get this fruit, wash it thoroughly. All right, wash it thoroughly. So this side that is soft and thicker, this side that is soft and thicker, there's two sides that is soft and thicker. As you can see in the angle, this side is soft, this side is soft. While this one is hard, this one is hard. Okay, it has four sides, two sides is soft and thicker. So those two sides that is soft and thicker, you will just use your knife. Okay, use your knife to slice it. Okay, use your knife to remove it. After cutting it, also turn the other side, remove the other side. Okay, put it in your blender. All right, put it in your blender. Just, open it, put it in your blender, boil the seed, put it in your blender. Okay, that's, you do the two of them that way. Then the next thing is to get this black pepper up to this size, like this. Add it to the blender. Okay, then you get your negro negro pepper, wash it very well. Okay, wash it very well, add it to the blender. Then you are going to use 7 turmeric. That is what you are going to use. Okay, you get 7 turmeric. What we have is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, get 7 turmeric, wash them very well, wash them very, very well. Wash them, make sure there are no sand, but don't peel it, don't peel. Okay, mark it down, don't peel it. Wash it thoroughly. Okay, after doing that, then you use your knife to slice it into little pieces to the extent that your blender can blend. Okay, then you add it to the blender. Right, so the next thing you are going to get is this. This is ginger. All right, ginger. Okay, get three of it. This is 3. Okay, this is 3. As I'm holding up, this is 3 ginger. Okay, get 3 ginger, wash it thoroughly, make sure there are no sand. Remember, this ginger, you are not going to peel it. Do not peel it. Wash it thoroughly. Okay, after doing that, you use your knife also, cut it into little pieces. Okay, add it to the blender. Okay, then after doing all that, okay, you put them in your blender. Remember, you are not going to add this. You are not adding this one to the blender. This lemon, you are not adding it to the blender. Don't blend it. All right. So you blend every other thing. After blending it with water, then you turn it into a pot. Okay, turn it to a pot, add more water, at least get up to 4 liters of water to boil it. Up to 4 liters of water. Okay, add it to the pot. Then you will now take your lemon. Okay, take your lemon, you cut it this way. Don't peel it. Don't peel it. Wash it thoroughly. You cut it this way. All right, then you cut it this way. Okay, so one lemon will give you 4 sides. All right, this way and this way. Share it into 4. Okay, do the same with the second lemon. All right, put it into the pot. Then this tetraflora, you remember there was a side that was very strong that we couldn't cut. So that side that was very strong, you are going to break it. Okay, you break it, add it to the pot. Then after doing that, you boil everything for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, at least 15 minutes. All right, after doing that, you bring the pot down. You bring it down, you allow it to get to the normal temperature that you can be able to take it. All right, if you can take it hot as tea, there's no problem. Okay, but make sure you are taking it warm. Take it warm. Okay, take it warm. Don't take it too cold. Okay, take it warm. So if you want to take it, you take it in the morning and in the evening. All right, take it morning and evening. You can either eat first or you take it first before your food. Okay, so if you are taking it first before your food, you take it, then immediately after that you eat. Okay, if you want to take it after your food, you eat. After that you drink. All right, so if you have this little cup, at home, you take 2. All right, take 2 of this little cup. Then if you have this normal drinking glass, you will take half. All right, you take half of it morning and evening. Okay, so that is it. You can see it's very easy. So let me tell you this, in case the fibroid is big, in case the size is big, sometimes you might feel pain when you are taking it. Okay, you might feel pain because when you are trying to shrink, you will feel pain. All right, let me tell you that, so that by the time you started taking it, you will not be maybe panicking or maybe being afraid. So once you are trying to shrink it, you might feel pain. All right, but don't worry, it will work for you. Okay, go and try it, it will work for you. Everything I'm giving out, they are sure they are working. All right, this is the Shantari. We discuss herbs and spices here for healthy living. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.